Alpha Golf 4 Romeo Yankee.
Romeo Yankee, roger, roger. Well, let me see, Gary, if you would, why don't you give me about 10 seconds on your antenna system and let me look around and see if I can find a better path for us, Roger.
Let me look around and see if I can find a better path for us, Roger. Okay, the indoor folded dipole, it's upstairs. Bedroom, and I'm over an old CS-850 today. It's a Howell CR22, and I just tried to get a few reports on it there. Over.
Yes, sir. I've got you on my local antenna. Not too heavy, but I've got you on my local antenna. So let's just run through a couple of things. What was that radio that you're running now? Did you say a P1 something?
Did you say a P1 something? I said a Kenwood. Kenwood. Kilo, Echo, November. Oscar, Delta. CS-850.
CS-850, is that a Roger?
CS-850, is that a Roger? That's a Roger. And the
Okay, so if you got a pretty good copy on me, sir?
say again?
Do you have a pretty good copy on me down that way? I guess not. I was just curious if you had a fairly good copy on me down your way.
Well, I did have a good copy of you, but you dropped way down there now. Copy of you, but you dropped way down there now. You dropped on the over.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Well, I think from what I heard, Gary, I think you sounded pretty good. We could go into a bunch of stuff, but, I'm not sure the conditions would permit that right now, Roger.
I'm not sure the conditions would permit that right now, Roger. So, I'll give you a little more audio.
Yeah, I think maybe today's not the day there, Gary. I think Mother Nature is pretty much in command, and I think she's been cantankerous all afternoon long, Roger. She's been generating thunderstorms and stuff, and it's been really a difficult afternoon. Roger, Roger.
Roger. Yeah, I'll copy that. Okay. We'll try it again.
Yeah, I copied you a little bit down in Georgia, but not too well. Now, I do have a SDR. Hang on just a minute. Let me try something here. I do have an SDR down in central Tennessee that I could try to bring up. Gosh, let me see here. Figure out where the heck it is. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net, and we're going through a list here of SDRs, and trying to find the one down in Tennessee. Here's one down in Knoxville, but I had one in Middle Tennessee. Let me just see what that does. Hang on just a second. I'm bringing it up, and let me see. Gary, try me now, and let me see if I got a copy on you. Hi, Gary, this is KC9VKV. If you got a copy, I'm copying you now on Middle Tennessee SDR, Roger.
Now on Middle Tennessee SDR, Roger.
GARY-AG4RY. This is KC9VKV. Gary, you got a copy?
This is KC9VKV. Gary, you got a copy? Yes. This is AG4RY.
All right. Well, I tried my Middle Tennessee SDR, and I got not as good as where I am up in PA SDR. Sometimes you get too close. I think that's what this is, Roger.
PA SDR. Sometimes you get too close. I think that's what this is, Roger. I've just not got enough copy to... we'll try it another day and send it to AG4RY.
Yes, sir, Gary. Sorry, sir. We'll try it next Friday if you can. I'd love to have you contact us next Friday if you can. 73, sir. And with that, I see by the clock on the wall a dead fly. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So we got to get out of here since 3:30. We've been recording, and it's time for us to wrap it up. If you participated and want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV followed by the word logbook, that will take you to this recording. It'll be cut number 1 in a series of 2,600 Qso-Vlog air check recordings, and we'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. So with that said, it's time for us to return this frequency back to normal amateur radio use. This is Kilo Charlie 9, Victor, Kilo Victor, clear.